and commodity flows, price dynamics, and strategies for navigating today's online trading environment. Please welcome on stage Mr. Barry Ip, Head of Digital Innovation, Hong Kong Gold Exchange, who brings a wealth of expertise and insight to this timely discussion.
Okay. Good afternoon, distinguished guests, partners, and friends. It's an honor to be here at IFX Expo Asia 2025 in Hong Kong. A city has long stood at the intersection of finance, innovation, and global trade. Today, I would like to share how Hong Kong is shaping the future of gold. We will explore, one, the story and foundation of the Hong Kong Gold Exchange. Two, its milestone and government-aligned mission. Three, why physical gold trading and settlement matter more than ever. Fourth, Hong Kong's Chief Executive John Lee's vision to make Hong Kong the world's gold hub. Five, how GoldShip and HKGX initiative is bringing tokenization to the real gold. Let's start with some background. The Hong Kong Gold Exchange, or HKGX, is Hong Kong's only dedicated physical and precious metal exchange. Our mission is to connect the traditional bullion market with a modern digital finance framework, creating a transparent, disciplined, and globally connected marketplace. HKGX offers a centralized trading platform for physical gold, accredited assaying and settlement within Hong Kong, a membership system for refiner, broker, and institutional traders, and data verification service for price integrity and trade transparency. In essence, HKGX is the professional backbone for Hong Kong's gold industry, a bridging between Asia's physical gold tradition and the global digital future. Our story began more than a century ago. In 1910, the Chinese Gold and Silver Exchange was founded, one of Asia's earliest organized bullion markets. It became the foundation for generations of trust and integrity in gold trading. Fast forward to January 2025, when HKGX officially launched it in its modern form. We have since built a full-service trading and settlement infrastructure, expanded electronic trading and open outcry markets, established a refiner and member certification system, and aligned our growth with Hong Kong government's strategy to strengthen gold as a pillar of the city's financial sector. Today, Hong Kong stands as both guardian of heritage and a driver of innovation. The timing of this gathering could not be better. Gold has entered one of its most remarkable phases in modern history. In October 2025, spot gold broke above $4,000 per ounce, a new all-time high, and briefly touched 4,400 per ounce. Year to date, prices are up more than 50%, marking gold's strongest rally in decades. The driving force behind it are exceptional expectation of interest rate cut in the US, continued central banks purchase, geopolitical uncertainty, and a global trend towards de-dollarization and diversification of reserve. This surge reminds us that gold is not a relic. It is an active and strategic asset. When volatility rises, trust in real asset become priceless. And that trust is built on physical ownership, settlement, transparency, and creditable infrastructure. Despite gold's appeal, most investors don't hold the real thing. The global paper to physical gold ratio, meaning derivative, ETF, and unallocated accounts, is estimated over 100 to 1, and sometimes as high as 250 to 1 during market stress. In other words, for every ounce of physical gold in existence, there may be hundreds of paper claims. This imbalance exposes the market to a liquidity and trust risk. If even a fraction of those claimed demand physical delivery, the system could face severe stress. That is why physical trading and settlement matter. When gold is physically traded, voted, and verified, it becomes real, deliverable, and auditable, the foundation of market stability. Hong Kong, through HKGX, is uniquely positioned to fill the gap. We operate a delivery-based market anchored by real storage. We work with certified refiners and trusted logistic partners, and we ensure every bar can be traced, verified, and settled. In a world of paper promises, physical gold is the ultimate proof, and that is what HKGX stands for. HKGX's mission is strongly aligned with the vision of Hong Kong's Chief Executive, Mr. John Lee. In his 2024 and 2025 policy addresses, Mr. Lee emphasized Hong Kong's goal to become a global center for gold trading, storage, and innovation. The plans include building over 2,000 tons of storage capacity within 3 years, developing voting, logistic, insurance, and certification ecosystem, encouraging digitalization and tokenized gold trading to enhance market accessibility. This vision positions Hong Kong not just as a bridge between East and West, but as a nerve center of world's physical gold flow, linking the Greater Bay Area, Southeast Asia, and Middle East. HKGX is proud to become a core member of that strategy. To complete this picture, let me introduce GoldSip, an HKGX initiative designed to bring physical gold into the digital era. GoldSip bridges two worlds: the trust of physical bullion and the efficiency of blockchain technology. Each GoldSip token represents an audited quantity of real gold stored in accredited vault. The initiative delivers transparency, accessibility, liquidity, and compliance confidence. GoldSip aligns perfectly with the Chief Executive's call to advance tokenized real-world asset. It shows how Hong Kong can merge a century-old gold tradition with digital asset innovation, creating a model that the world can trust. Our vision is clear: from physical to digital, from Hong Kong to the world, from gold to gold SIP. In closing, let me summarize. HKGX embodies Hong Kong's strength, integrity, transparency, and global connectivity. The gold price surge has reaffirmed gold's role in the foundation of financial security. Yet amid a sea of paper gold, physical settlement remains the true anchor of trust. Hong Kong, guided by Chief Executive John Lee's vision, is rising to become a world gold hub. And gold SIP, representing our next step, tokenize physical gold for a new generation of investors. Thank you so much. Hong Kong Gold Exchange looks forward to working with you to build a smarter, more transparent, and truly global future for gold. Okay, my final words. Okay, our booth is over the end of the hall, and you are free to visit us and to discuss ideas and to share to exchange ideas. Thank you so much again. Thank you.